Welcome to the presentation of ERP implementation in Rolls-Royce Aerospace Division. Rolls-Royce is the second largest diversified geographical base jet engine suppliers and manufacturers that operated in Europe, America, Asia, Africa and Australia. Company's headquarters in London, UK. The company has also businesses in other areas of marine, energy and power sector. Rolls-Royce Aerospace business operates in two different markets, primary and secondary. In primary market, companies sell new aircraft engine to aircraft manufacturers such as Boeing and Airbus, and in the secondary market, companies sell engine parts and provide maintenance service to the airlines. Culture of the company. Company has flexibility and forward-thinking approach to improve and innovate continuously. Entity ensures the ethical issues are considered in all aspects of company's operation. Company provide commitment of fulfilling customers' expectation and maintenance customer trust. Rolls-Royce follows the people approach to manage the workforce, that is capacity and reward, standardization, flexibility, health and safety, and globalization. Competitors of Rolls-Royce Aerospace Division are Honeywell, Pratt & Whitney, Safran, and GE Aviation. Rolls-Royce made agreement in 2008 with Goodrich Corporation to develop and supply engine controls for Rolls-Royce engines. Company also made partnership with its competitors Pratt & Whitney to power future midsize aircraft. Rolls-Royce Civil Aerospace Division implemented ERP around 2003. The reason of ERP implementation was to get the accurate information on time, to improve customer response time, reduce work in process, reducing operation cost, establish direct and online communication with customers, partners, and suppliers, and to stop data manipulation. Benefits of ERP. ERP replaced complex and manual interface with cross-functional and standardized transaction automation that ensure business planning based on same data and update in real time. Therefore, it reduced work in process and it stopped data manipulation. For replacing from manual to automation, it reduced the maintenance cost as well. As the data updated in real time, so customer response time is improved and optimal decision can be made. ERP ensures e-communication and e-commerce, so it establishes direct and online communication with customers, partners, and suppliers. Impact of ERP implementation. Organizations select ERP software that might not fully fit with business process. So to fit the business software, organizations need to conduct business process engineering. But business process engineering is very complex. When any changes take place in the organization, then management always expect that everyone will accept the change. But people attitude are not the same. Some people do not welcome the new system as they think the new system might be complex. Technical problem of the ERP implementation might be data inaccuracy or data duplication or might be both. Or the implementation or to implement the ERP system, unaware of programs error can be happen. Post-implementation. To successfully implement the ERP system, top management should have clear goals and objectives and also they have to support their project. ERP teamwork needs to actively organize and manage the implementation. To fit with the business process, companies should carefully select the software package that will help to keep PPI minimum. To accept the new system, companies should educate about the new system to the people and should arrange training about the new system for the users. If company follows all the factors, that ERP implementation would be successful. Rolls-Royce employed all the factors to the organization. As a result, their implementation was successful. In the modern era, new technology are emerging regular basis. Cloud is one of the new trends that ERP can transfer into cloud. Though cloud has security problem, but cloud enhance the transferable functions that provide the greater business speed. So Rolls-Royce can implement the cloud cloud ERP to speed to generate the business speed and to reduce the cost as well. Thank you so much.